Coplanar forces of magnitudes F, 3F, G and 50 act at a point P as shown in the diagram. So here is P, 50, G, 3F and F are acting at the point P. First bit, given that F equal to 0, G equal to 75, alpha equal to 60, find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. So what is magnitude? Formula square root of Rx square plus Ry square. And what is direction formula? Tan inverse Ry by Rx. Let's complete first bit first. So to find it out, I need Ry now, Rx now. Let's resolve it. Nothing is given to be x-axis, so I assume it to be x-axis. G is acting horizontally, so I don't need to resolve it. 3F is acting vertically down, so I don't need to resolve 3F as well. 50 Newton is acting at an angle alpha, so this 50 has to be resolved. For that, form a right angle triangle in this way. Now, instead of walking from here to here, I could have gone in this way, then from this point I could move up. Next, this is adjacent to alpha, so it becomes 50 cos alpha. This is opposite to alpha, so it becomes 50 sin alpha. We have resolved 50. Now, this F is also acting at an angle 50 degrees, so I need to resolve F as well. For that, again form a right angle triangle. Instead of walking from here to here, I could have gone in this way, then vertically down. This will become, this is adjacent to 50, so it becomes F cos 50. This is opposite to 50, so it is F sin 50. Resolving in the diagram is completed. Let's write Rx now. What all are acting in positive x-axis? This one and G. So it is G plus 50 cos alpha. Positive x-axis completed. Now what all are acting in negative y-axis? F cos 50. So minus F cos 50. Let's put the values given to us. F is 0. So 0 into anything becomes 0. Alpha is 60. So plus 50 cos 60. And G is 75. If you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 100. That is your Rx. Now let's find Ry. What all are acting on positive y-axis? Only 50 sin alpha, nothing else in the positive. So it is 50 sin alpha. What all are acting in negative y-axis? 3F is acting down, F sin 50 is also acting down. So minus F sin 50 minus 3F is Ry. Let us put the values now. In place of F, 0. So 0 into 3 is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So 50 into sin 60. If you put this in the calculator, you get 43.3. Okay. Now place those two values here and there. So it becomes square root of 100 square plus 43.3 square. If you put in the calculator, you get 109. If I round it off to 3 significant figures. So resultant is 109. Resultant angle tan inverse Ry 43.3 by Rx 100. Put in the calculator, you get theta to be 23.4. So my first bit is completed. Now next one. Given instead that G equal to 0 and forces are in equilibrium. So second bit, if I start here, equilibrium underline means Rx equal to 0 and Ry equal to 0. And that's it. Find the value of f and alpha. From this I get two equations. I need to find the values of f and alpha. Let's do it. Now G equal to 0. That means this G is no longer present. So let's erase it. Clear? Now, what all are acting on positive x-axis? Only G is missing. Rest all is same. So I could directly copy it here. So leaving G, my Rx is 50 cos alpha minus f cos 50 equal to 0. Same thing with Ry. Anyhow, I don't have G, so entire thing will come in Ry. So it is 50 sin alpha minus f sin 50 minus 3f equal to 0. Now using these two, I need to find f and alpha. Let's shift f cos 50 to the other side. Then what does it become? Equal to I get. Correct? Same thing here. If I shift these two to the other side, minus f sin 50 will become plus, minus 3f will also become plus. Clear? Now, I can take f common here. So what will I get? Sin 50 plus 3. And on the other side, 50 sin alpha. Right? I divide these two now. So below I write f cos 50. And on this side, 50 cos alpha. Now what gets cancelled? 50 gone, f gone. Sin by cos is tan alpha equal to sin 50 plus 3 by cos 50. I can get alpha from here by sending tan to the other side. So it becomes alpha equal to tan inverse. So put this entire thing in the calculator. So you get 80.3 is the value for alpha. Is it clear? Place that alpha here to get f. So f equal to send cos 50 to the other side. 50 cos alpha by cos 50. Replace alpha 80.3. Put this in the calculator. You get f value to be 13.1. So this is the answer.